It's your girl Nash. Ladies, do you know you can make money using 1xbet? Yes, you can. Just download 1xbet app from Play Store or App Store. After downloading it, register with the promo code VISION 2020. Make a deposit and get 200% bonus for free and start making money on your bed. Wait, is it La Liga, Champions League, Premier League?
Wow! Guess what? I just won 7,000 Ghana cedis with 1xbet. 1xbet from your chat. 1xbet is second to now. Name. Let's say my boys. 1xbet. Just check it out. Just check it out.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Who is sleeping? Hey! Princess! Princess! Why are you sleeping in my class? Princess, are you okay?
High spirit!
Money beba.
High spirit! The dog papa! Yeah.
You run this school, you know?
High spirit!
High spirit.
You've decided not to talk. We brought you to the headmaster. The same thing you are doing. So who is responsible for that pregnancy? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? The result testifies you are pregnant. You're not telling me you are not pregnant.
K in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, Pim Cock on strong man best strength. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open and for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P, no boy, or back class hour, depends on what I'm seeing to the bank. More in break, and Satania back you 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found, yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mojago for the council, trying to 7 flags, yeah, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone, you date or no, didn't come out, what say, yeah, my papa.
Be any fear, free me to ye, be a dream to. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear, free me to ye, be a dream to. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before, peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
No. High spirit. I can see it. This is scared though. Charlie. See, you say me go school now, mommy, and me papa. Me jaya kwati me. For real. It be money, but right now we have the money. I can buy a car, rent apartment, or build my own house. But school has some way to see if we let's live with 3 months first.
Give me some high grade, yeah. 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 Boys are turn up, girls are full of the place. 12, them all wind up them waist. Me fly away. Me go higher to the top, me no flop. Dance all to it, that me no stop. Me bust your brain. Give me some high
spirits.
Yo, my guy, you done. Fresh boy. Fresh done. You done. You done. High spirit.
Fresh.
Yo, high spirit. Yo, it did. Mugu. Ciao.
I have it. Sure. Sandy. Baby. Yeah, some told me after my mama. And it's good to be here. Someone when made that. I am the high spirit. When we talk about swag, when we talk about money, me and I'm really school with my boys.
Make it tell them. We run this school.
Rude boy and any guys in the so man. Or when you ba, near my extra mono. But one thing you should know is that if you are serious, in your mouse, you should move with people and when you be. And that's the reason why in Tiamat too many share facility and say you people are the best that we can move with. So I called you here to make it simple. Say Finekwe. Someone hey. Mumpio. What are your girls? What do you have to say?
High spirits. Charlie, you guys shouldn't stress yourself so much. We've already fallen in love with you. Talking about that, I fell in love the day Princess tried to embarrass you at the park the last time. To me, I did.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, you want to tell me that you people are ready to mingle with us?
I am ready.
Come.
Girls, now you listen to me. High Spirit has said it all, but I want to add something to it. We're gonna make you girls feel so big in and out of this school. You understand? So you're gonna chill.
Shit. Make it give you boozer. Charlie. You don't. You do all.
K in the building. It's first to the K
Violin.
Yeah. Vision.
Good life.
Say, Mobi and Dada, more in Brady and one pay at your crab one pair. Mobi and my pressure, Pim Cock was from my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy a pen out for 70 hours by a lesbian. Yeah, fraud boys be near boy or back class hour. The best one team seen to the bank. More in break. And Satania about you 240. Peer pressure. If you rose one can't see me near found. Yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Moja for the council. Trying to 7 flags. Yeah, I know what the other. You got my phone, you date or no deal. Come out. Try to say, yeah, my papa.
Now for some, we'll take you anywhere to stay. Be if you are free to ye, be I do it. Now for some, we'll take you anywhere to stay. And yes,
I'm so almost Jimmy, you know.
Peer pressure, peer pressure,
Guys, on a more serious note, I'm worried about Princess's dismissal.
Sula, you are right. I'm worried about that joke. Oh, I'll forever miss her.
I wonder who is responsible of her pregnancy. You know, that's the same question I've been asking myself.
I think it's Papa J. Oh yeah? Think about it very well. It could be him.
Hey, hypocrite. Are you talking about Princess?
enti menya wo mobo sheka bebe ya mabo sheduma mege sheka me bon uko school mu ho so uko sua biology and also a pregnancy na ko sua
na mo if say the princess farm ni na mo so Oba, everything go ahead. Everything no. And then the who denies and I'm gathering. Moral.
And who called you here?
Peer pressure.
Who called you here? Would you ask that crap? What the flower I'm saying?
The Oba, wouldn't miss a media. Adrian is Siwana means said the winter who say besides a question. Who expected them?
Would you leave? No one called you here. The last time I checked, we'll be invited to a conversation. One after one.
As Mammy get one.
Me say, cannot call. Means I need a walk of fat matter. Me present me who need papotina or no yes, sir. A school for being a young sir. Teacher phone. Kaya and Kao. You see a teacher phone or school honor, and a bigger down one young sir.
Is that Mommy,
whatever, me dem carry you.
You jene ho. Atete kwani etise.
Hey, atete kwani. I know the teachers phone you go down.
You rate yourself.
I know the teachers phone you go down. I know the teachers phone.
Show us show. My pan ni ati o dey to be one na school ma. What you are wearing this?
I'm feeling
Morning. Oh please, papa. Bila
kokokokora o shata papa na trouble to trouble.
Eti
Oba te o baba ka o sa. Oh, when you na ka bobra papa bi anke nchen.
Jesus, mommy.
So when the mo target and what hit here. Ni baby I won't come away. Me better be your kwa now so better be your kwa. We can nipa kura wa dada enye mo se mo se usha. Nti we beti me dada. A teacher phone na enye mo. O class phone bia.
Can you cry what ade? Can you cry
school master?
Me dad
master catch me.
Me ba me kasa hold down. If you joke with me, you are lying. There, me ba you am saying. Who called you here?
No, and I don't.
What is your problem?
I'm crazy.
So what I will do to you?
One lie. You nyako po be no mu. No, I will. What are you talking about? This is about the back of I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny.
What your hands are coming? So and
I'm Mitty.
What a pack for? Pack here. You smell pepper.
Auntie Duru, she
the one car, a car, my boy, but a messy singing now, man, I'm no papa. You better no one casa.
Papa ben kasa, Papa ben kasa. Mommy, Papa mio.
Papa go to train me.
Kasa.
Hey. What? Ya get we do. Obi a nchiri wo wa na akoye. Nipa no ende ya be hu nanim. Wo be hu dan ko du we ana wo du ko hotel. So when we hotel also.
Papa cry friend so ndi kasa what one when I sit kasa. Papa je. Hey. Je. Ya bela.
Papa je what to say now what to hear.
Can you know what na? Oh no go on.
I'm not going to be here. Yo, lovely people out there, this is your girl Adombi Sege. Thank you all for watching Peer Pressure. Do you know you can make money through OneXBet? Yes, just download the OneXBet app from Google or App Store and register with the promo code VISION2020 to get 200% bonus on your first deposit. OneXBet now, OneXBet now, what die so Adam.
Cake in the building. It's first to the cake, Elvin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say,
What you make a choice? Huh? It's all to any anything. Abna, what may I like to do? What was chasing? Who may be feeling one last thing? And that's who dear one. Huh? Hey, Papa, if you don't fight, I don't feel the zoom. I feel the zoom. Or no man, I do the zoom. And I do the zoom about near to one. And the last one.
Yeah, man.
But I chop Papa J is here now.
Why, Papa J? Papa J.
Hey, I didn't get how. Hey, what do you tell us? What do you know?
Adamu ya wo Papa J was sure that. Oh, auntie Abim, oh no, hand I know.
Vampire short in it. So in the bed.
Oh, that be the meaning baby. You see there. Why you them? I had no more hand I will feel Nigeria buying a Nash. And the time I soon to Mintia.
So bit in a baby no wood to work. Now at times we children and children can see me talk of Bonu ways. And I may coffee here with my see.
Papa J is out of coverage area. Madam, why?
Imam.
What do you want? Mas eu vou correr. Mas eu me gosto de madame. Olha, mamãe vai.
Abela, tu da papa. Tu da papa. Tu mami titi mo re. Me titi ma ka tia me fa bi kan ho no fa cha school fees ko school adokwa ya no. Abela no ho abona fofo ti da and say o papa betimi awo ana ane na kwa akonyi. Abela etu ko school ti anu kwa na ti ko sua wo. Ene so wo hu ade awaye. Mama Bakatu. It's in California, Benjuma. I said, this is come over here for your freedom now.
I'm more than so about.
Where for Papa?
Why, pa, dear?
Wampa! 5 minutes beer. I'm not a school.
Oh, Mamma, how?
So when I did the year.
Oh, man, school I didn't find now. You're really fine. Long kind of power.
What you need to?
My pa, what I know is a video.
Everyone, not tell what they call it.
Oh, man, Ghana, say, man.
Watch it.
Man.
We're moving the enemy soon.
Oh.
Now, they say, Credit them all. One pan, I won't fret. Won't be fear. The two won't catch and I'm seeing my baby when he said, the pie I said, Yasra woman.
Mamma, woman. Oh,
I said, why is watching?
The name be was it? And I'm running a fair for one. Before I said, I'll cast our phone so, and I am a good too much. What did I say? No, Madame for be a million or so, I say.
When you're done for school,
you,
I don't know.
but for them, I'll be intimidating coming some or having tidy shame, said a mere and Yaman and effect. You didn't come on as well. Letting your boy, it's on another my own man that can't take the turn and make me show man. Shit!
Then I
don't catch up. The thing I'm good to own. So, boy, you know upon a waffle, boy, I'm a waffle. I can't doubt.
You almost had a name. I say, Mitimon, media made no money in your home.
You rather buy tiny. Mitri, my mountain. Here's a man who don't meet me country. What do you back upon me? What do you say? Regular me bake won't. No, we need them. No, my men, but half of me. Yes, I do. My men. Yes, I am. My what was said then, my mamma, baby. A BS come in near DJ Bofoni Sika call. Just said, I'm a Miss Rokakra. And ye be sad. Madame 4 pounds and Yamia Yinama. Mamma's coming to them, lady. And a young Conor Nana said, some in your back out. Oh, the one is coming to me. No, man, about what is the point? I'm a second. And oh no, P. I'm so I don't know what P. As I did, I think I know what you are. I said, Casa Crow Casa, we are near my own. Oh, anyhow. What is me brought for my family? Never give up. Peer pressure. Oh, wow, it's why you put that. You,
pressure, him caught on strong man best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break. Hey, Satanya about you 240.
Where's Sandra?
Please say she's sick, so she's at the washing bay. Hey, Sheila! Washing bay! Sick bay, man.
Hey! I am not surprised. She'll definitely be sick. She'll definitely be sick. I believe when I deliver this message to you, you let her have it. Very well. We have been informed that you two girls, Deborah and Sheila, you've been linking up girls to sugar daddies, right?
Please, sir, no. No, madam, we don't link sugar daddies to students. Besides, Princess is grown enough to know what is good and bad.
Oh, I see. She's grown enough, right? Then for your information, Princess' pregnancy has been brought out to the extent that she's pregnant for a sugar daddy.
Say, the truth is, that is never true. Because we hardly know her house since Form 1.
Yes.
And the last time we went out with her was May 10. Nothing bad happened. Hey!
We were informed you had a quarrel with Princess.
Yes.
And it came out, voicing out that you linked her to that portion.
Hey!
The mother to confirmed it, that she's pregnant for a sugar daddy.
No, it's their own matter. It's not say no. We can't do that.
Yes. Hey!
Innocent.
The last time we went out with her was May term and nothing bad happened.
Even the one she didn't want to come.
Look at them.
All right. I love the way you are coming out with your statement. It's very good. And the better side of the whole thing is, the two of you will never be brothers anymore. From today.
My mother, yes, you've been deboardized. Please, your what? Your mother.
It's her.
Don't worry. Solving the problem here will not solve you.
Blame
will not help
yourself.
you. Just go and pick your things from the dormitory, right?
Yes.
And then you go.
So henceforth, you come from home to school. You will sleep here.
Have you seen the direction I've given to you? Sheila!
What are you waiting for?
Go to the dormitory, pack up your things and move to the house.
One cent now, one for what to know why I did. What should be?
Who brought them?
Is
it their parents? Is it their parents or they came themselves?
Hey, Nala, only from school, Nala. Once only from Kyekyeku.
Maybe it's from the uniform. They love the uniform.
Hey, Sammy.
Next on Peer Pressure.
And you, what are you doing with my boyfriend? The last time I checked, no girl spoke to him. Not to talk about this particular location. Now get lost. Get lost!
Go girl, 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 go girl.
Really? I really love that.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah. Anyway, so what next?
And it's okay. I see I'm a two. The quite friend level for me one next level. I'm a child who could cry. Now what does Mukasa? Hi.
Cake in the building. It's first to the cake, Elvin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure. Pim caught on strong man best strength. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open and for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back you 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags yeah, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what you say yeah, give my pack.
Free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I be peer pressure be